Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python is a versatile and popular programming language that is widely used for various applications, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. If you're getting started with Python programming, it's essential to ensure that your PC meets the necessary requirements and set up a development environment. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the PC requirements and demonstrate how to set up Python on your machine with a simple code example. Before you start coding in Python, make sure your PC meets the following requirements: operating system, memory, RAM, processor, CPU, storage. Follow these steps to install Python on your machine. Visit the official Python website and download the latest version of Python for Windows. Run the installer and make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during the installation. Click Install Now and let the installer complete the process. Mac OS comes with Python pre-installed. Open the terminal and type Python 3 version to check the installed version. If Python is not installed, you can use Homebrew to install it by running. Most Linux distributions come with Python pre-installed. Open the terminal and type Python 3 version to check the installed version. If Python is not installed, use your package manager to install it. For example, on Ubuntu, run. After installation, open a terminal or command prompt and type or for Python 3. This should display the installed Python version. Now that Python is installed, let's create a simple script. Open a text editor, example VS Code, Atom, or idle, and create a file named hello.py with the following code. Save the file and open a terminal or command prompt in the same directory where you saved hello.py. Run the script with the command or for Python 3. You should see the output. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Python on your PC and executed your first Python script. This tutorial provides a basic overview of the PC requirements and installation process for Python. As you progress in your Python journey, you may explore virtual environments, package management with pip, and various IDEs for a more tailored development experience. Happy coding! ChatGPT